what's the purpose of a P-trap? So I was fixing to work on this piece of equipment here. I arrived on the service call, and if you could take a look down here, this right here is what I found. I found a P-trap laying on the ground. Now this P-trap should be in line with the drain that's leaving the evaporator coil, where all of the condensation collects in the evaporator coil pan, okay? The pan right underneath the evaporator coil. And in this unit, it's right here. Okay, so what's the purpose of a P-trap? That's the question I ask in this video. If you don't know what the purpose is, when your coil is on the negative side of the airflow, that means that your fan is in front of that coil and it has to pull the air from the return in the house past the coil and then into the blower, and then it pushes down the supply. When it's on the negative side, that means that it pulls the water back through this drain. And if it does, that means that the water will stay in the pan and it'll circulate in the house, causing higher humidity conditions. And we don't want that. We want all the water to drain out efficiently. So to efficiently install this trap here that I found when I arrived on the service call, I just basically placed this in the actual drain pipe leading from the evaporator drain pan. And what that's going to do is, if you'll take a look, this right here, this trap that's in here is going to fill up with water, and it's basically going to keep one of two things from happening. The first is, if this drain was to run into a main waste pipe or a main drain line in your plumbing, it would suck back an odor if you didn't have a trap. The second is, it's going to keep the water from being sucked back into the pan where it can be recirculated in the house, causing higher latent conditions in the home, therefore reducing the efficiency of the equipment. It doesn't feel as cool, doesn't feel as comfortable. You're not going to feel as comfortable, and also you're going to cause high humidity condition in the house. So that's the purpose of a P-trap, to eliminate an odor if it's plumbed into your plumbing, main waste pipe, and also to prevent the water to being sucked into the evaporator pan, causing high humidity conditions. Make sure that you install your P-traps properly, and if you find one on a service call technician, make sure that you put it back in. Check it out. Put it back in the way it's supposed to go. If you don't, that means you're lazy, and you shouldn't even went to the service call in the first place. You need to hang out, stay somewhere where you can do lazy things, and then us professionals will come in and we'll make it right for the customer, all right? Anyways, guys, this is a video giving you information on what a P-trap should look like installed and what the purpose of the P-trap is, okay? Thanks.